Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will see 5 cool gadgets you should have for fun and entertainment. Let's take a closer look at each of these cool gadgets. This is Oculus Quest 2. Oculus Quest changed the game for wireless VR. It delivered fresh experiences for enthusiasts, and new opportunities for developers, all while introducing immersive gaming to newcomers across the globe. Now Oculus Quest 2, the next generation of all-in-one VR, pushes the state of VR forward with a redesigned all-in-one form factor, new touch controllers, and the highest resolution display ever. Quest 2 packs a suite of innovations to power the next generation of VR games and experiences. Quest 2 is more than just the next step in all-in-one VR. It represents years of feedback from developers, gaming enthusiasts, and the broader VR community, and we couldn't be more grateful for this ongoing support. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is GoPro Hero 9 Black. It is the most powerful. This is 6 Series 4K TCL Roku TV. It features Dolby Vision HDR imaging combined with striking wide color powered by QLED color technology. Thousands of streaming channels are accessible through a simple, intuitive interface in a bold, brushed metal design. Powerful picture performance combines Dolby Vision, the premium HDR experience, with TCL's HDR Performance Pro suite of advanced technologies for superior contrast and brighter, more accurate colors. Auto Game Mode automatically detects when a video game is being played, and engages game mode for the smoothest action, lowest latency, and the best picture settings for gaming. A clean, contemporary design is made possible with TCL's full-view edge-to-edge glass display. A dark, brushed metal finish lends additional style and sophistication to your home theater. Quantum Dot Technology, or QLED, enhances performance, delivering better brightness and wider color volume, matching the format used by most cinema screens and Hollywood content creators. This provides exceptionally vivid and lifelike picture performance. Image contrast is optimized across individual zones to achieve highly localized areas of the striking contrast between bright and dark areas of the image, providing an unrivaled sense of depth and reality. Excellent image quality, an affordable price, and best-in-class Roku TV smarts propel the TCL 6 series into the pole position of the mid-range TV race. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Fitbit Sense Advanced Smartwatch. It is the advanced health smartwatch that helps you tune into your body with tools for stress management, heart health, SpO2, skin temperature, and more. The on-wrist EDA scan app detects electrodermal activity, which may indicate your body's response to stress, and reveals a graph in the Fitbit app to illuminate it. With a compatible ECG app right on your wrist, assess your heart for atrial fibrillation. Sense tracks your skin temperature each night to show how it varies from your personal baseline, so you can be aware of your trends over time. The Sense is water-resistant to 50 meters, which means you are free to track laps in the pool, and wear it in the shower, at the beach, and beyond. With 6+ day battery life, Fitbit Sense tracks your morning, night, and everything in between without needing to stop for a charge. Varies with use and other factors, and up to 12 hours with continuous GPS. If you are always on the move, fuel up with quick charging that gives your watch a full day's charge in just 12 minutes. Skin temperature sensing, heart rate tracking, and battery charging all take place inside this powerful, water-resistant hub on the back of Sense. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. The earbuds are designed to tune into every moment, and with iconic shape and ergonomic design, a fit that lets in your natural surroundings, and a speaker optimized for a better experience. Its new ergonomic shape makes them fit perfectly into your ears, and you can wear them comfortably without for long hours. These buds are available in 3 colorways with a glossy finish you can't help but love. Galaxy Buds Live with active noise cancelling are designed to reduce unwanted noise, so you stay fully immersed in your music, podcasts, and calls. The 12mm speakers with sound by AKG work together with Galaxy Buds Live's ergonomic design to deliver spacious sound. Experience crisp, clear call quality with 3 built-in mics. Stay powered with sound through work, play, and long after with Galaxy Buds Live's long-lasting battery of around up to 21 hours with charging case. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are certainly an upgrade with some neat features. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.